Hello, my name is Jan Rivera, Project Manager of the Embedded System Research Group, and we'll be presenting our project titled Using Microcontrollers for the Inference of a Machine Learning Algorithm. Now, I will be presenting the rest of my group. Our team is composed of 8 team members. Myself, Jan Rivera, William Negron, Orlando Saldaña, Rebeca Rivera, José Rodríguez, Yomar Santiago, Hedin García, and Ezequiel Melendez. Now, I will be leaving you with Rebeca Rivera, who will be talking about the introduction of our project.
The world's data is the result of our increasingly digitized way of life. For example, data is the main source of life of all businesses. Consequently, the amount of data that needs to be transferred, stored, and processed will greatly surpass the capabilities of a human. With the large amount of data, classifiers are used to make driven decisions in a short amount of time with the help of machine learning algorithms. The main objective of machine learning is to allow computers to learn automatically without human intervention or assistance to adjust actions accordingly. Additionally, a classifier is any algorithm that sorts data into discrete categories of information and can use different machine learning methods. Now, the purpose of this research is to use embedded systems for machine learning classifiers. The Internet of Things is the main reason why the amount of collecting data on embedded and IoT systems is increasing. The problem is that microcontrollers are well suited for simple machine learning problems which does not require frequent analysis because of its low memory. The Embedded System Research Group will test different configurations of edge computing to identify which one handles data more efficiently with an already trained classifier. Now, Jan will explain to you the methodology.
The methodology used for the project will consist of the members learning about machine learning, edge computing, and the selected development boards through literature review, such as research papers and the datasheets of the boards. Later, we'll be moving on to building practice projects and implementing algorithms to get familiar with the development boards, which includes an FPGA, the RTA7, Raspberry Pi number 4, NVIDIA Jetson Nano, and the Arduino Uno. Finally, we will testing implementations on the development boards and report the gathered results from each one to be later compared it with each other. With this, we conclude the methodology of the project. And now, I'll be leaving you with my teammate, William Negro.
Hello, so now I will talk about the expected outcomes and the impact that this research will have on the students as researchers and as future professionals. The expected outcomes include that the students will gain experience working with hardware and embedded systems in the solution of machine learning algorithms. These are fields of high demand currently. Students will be working with the prototypes, so they will be able to learn about system design, integration, and testing. The Embedded System Research Group will be able to determine the pros and cons from different used microcontrollers while applying their use to inference in machine learning through all the extensive review, practice, and comparison with the used microcontrollers. This will impact the students' learning about the use of hardware and embedded systems in machine learning. Now, my colleague Jose Luis will continue.
So now we are going to move to the time schedule. Throughout the semester, we're working on many things that will increase our skills and knowledge in research. First, we focused on taking some tutorials and made some literary review about IoT, machine learning, and microcontroller, so that we will increase our knowledge in these areas. Then we searched about different platforms to learn and apply machine learning increase to determine which development board we will be working with. Finally, we determined the project definition, specs, and requirement to be more content on the subject. In addition, we ordered the material we will be using for the project. Most of have already arrived. And finally, design and implementation to start with testing. The newest member, Erin, Ezequiel, and Yomar, we are having microcontroller practice throughout the semester, taking an online course, each doing a different project applying what they are learned, and they are currently working with the clean room project, which consists of programming a car that disinfects a small room. For the semester spring 2021, we will working with implementation and testing of the project. Now, Orlando, they are going to explain the other part of the project. Thank you.
The metrics to judge the project's success will be the knowledge gained by each of the students in digital systems design, knowledge about inference in machine learning systems, the use of HDLs, design, implementation, and testing in system design. Other skills like presentation, communication, and problem solving will also be used as a metric of success. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you for listening and paying attention. If you have any questions, please make sure to contact us. Thank you.